In this video, we will show you how to withdraw money from the Phantom wallet to your bank account. If you guys want to get started with Phantom wallet, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Binance website on your web browser. Now, click the Assets icon on the menu bar and select Overview. Next, select the Deposit option on the right side. In the side menu, choose the Deposit Crypto option. You need to enter the coin details including coins such as SOL. Then, enter the relevant network for Solcoin. Select the Sol network. It'll show you the deposit address, so copy this address. After that, go to the Phantom Wallet extension. In the pop-up menu, click the Send button. Following that, choose the coin to send such as Sol. Here, paste the copied address from Binance in the given fields. Next, enter the amount you want to send and proceed to the next step. Finally, you'll be able to withdraw funds from a Phantom wallet to your bank account using Binance. So that's how to withdraw money from the Phantom wallet to your bank account. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Phantom wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.